Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the that lip, universal spoiler lip. It comes from that lip. It is an universal spoiler lip and it has an universal fit. Yeah, extra easy installation, customize, appearance, paint and body protection. The Easy Lip is a fast and easy way to give your ride a customized look. And this is right. All new color designs with patent-pending InvisEdge for maximum style. Attached to virtually all cars and trucks with easy-to-use 3M automotive tape, designed to bend and protect your paint from driveways, speed bumps, and curbs. Get a lowered and more aggressive look in no time with your quick 3-step installation. And this is really easy. That is a fast, easy, low-cost way to lower your car and gives it a more sports car look. Universal compatibility allows EZ lips to be installed on virtually all make-sense models. Flexible foam rubber will bend and conform to the shape of your bumper. The Easy Lip will protect from scraps from driveways, speed bumps, and curbs. Installation easy and requires no special skills or tools. Quality 3M automotive tape will not be affected by wet or cold weather and will easily endure all types of weather, car wash, and high speeds. And it is made in USA. Only have a look. Clean the surface really nice by using, for example, brake cleaner, and then heat up the lip a little bit by using heater gun, for example, and then band it at your bumper side. Extract or remove the cover of the tape, and then you can dip it under your bumper and press it in position. After this, you are going with the lip all the way on your bumper, and at the end, cut it twice, job's done. That is an easy made and easy way to get a nice and tuning look at your car. I like it, I install it, watch my video for this, and it's so easy and nice look. Really nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Nice product. I like it. And it's not so expensive. It's really cheap for this look. Soon.